Hello there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your website using Google AI Studio. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. To complete the project, we need three things. One is Gemini to create the prompt, and then Google AI Studio to create the project, and then the VS Code we are going to actually, if we need to edit something, then we're going to actually edit through the code editor called VS Code. First of all, let's go to the Gemini. So here you can see I have create here a prompt for my project, and I have mentioned here that I need a portfolio website and random images profile. Okay. If I click here edit, you can see I want to use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript for the design, and later I will convert it to PHP project. Now give me a prompt so that I can create project. Okay. So this is just a basic prompt. You can actually give here anything. If you want to really mention here, let's say the specific thing you need, you can actually mention. Yeah. After that, it will actually give you a prompt here. You can see this is the prompt for the Google Studio AI. Okay. So I'm not going to share you this prompt because this is unnecessary. I hope you can actually generate a prompt. And here we go. Here you can see this is the prompt. Okay. Copy and paste into Google Studio. So I will actually copy this, and let's go to the Google Studio AI. So you go to the Google AI Studio. Here you can see aistudio.google.com. We are going to go with this one, Google AI Studio. On the left side, here you can see you have an icon. We are going to click here. And then we are going to actually go for the build option. So you can see in the left side, we have the option, right, called build. So you click here, and then we are going to actually describe your idea here. You can see we are going to paste our prompt here. And after that, we are going to click here build. Here you can see we have option here code, and it write all the code here. You can see here we go. We got the project here. You can see and working well. Now let's say you want to download this. So you can see this is our portfolio website. Now let's say you want to download this. So if you click here in the download app, then it will be downloaded. So as I can see, we have successfully download our project here. Now you can actually extract this project, and you can actually add this in the VS Code. Okay. And you can actually edit if you anything need to be edited. Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.